In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a newsletter on Mailchimp in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a business owner, a content creator, or someone looking to amplify their message, newsletters are a powerful tool to engage and connect with your audience. Let's jump right in and get you started with your first newsletter. First things first, head over to Mailchimp. If you're already a user, log in using your existing credentials. If you're new, don't worry, signing up is quick and easy. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, ready to start crafting your newsletter. To get started with your design, navigate to the Campaigns tab. There, click on Create Campaign. This option allows you to build a new email message right from scratch. Among the choices presented, select email as your campaign type. Now you'll have the option to choose regular email, which is great for most newsletter needs. This selection offers a beautiful range of templates, giving you the flexibility to customize and create an engaging layout. Next, focus on designing the content of your email. Remember, content is king, so make sure your message is clear, concise, and visually appealing. You have various options for dragging and dropping elements like text blocks, images, and social shares, ensuring your newsletter not only conveys your message but also grabs attention. Customization is key to connecting with your readers, so take the time to tweak the elements, adjust colors, fonts, and imagery to reflect your brand's identity and style. Once your design is compelling and all set, it's time to fine-tune your audience. Selecting your recipients is an essential step. Choose your audience carefully based on your mailing lists and subscriber preferences. This ensures that your content reaches the right people at the right time. Next, move on to the From section, where you'll input your sender name and email. This helps your audience instantly recognize who the email is coming from, increasing the likelihood they'll open it. No email is complete without a catchy subject line. Make yours intriguing and relevant to spark curiosity and encourage opens. A compelling subject line acts as the gateway to your newsletter content. Once that's done, navigate to Send Time to decide when you'd like your email to be delivered. Click on Edit Send Time to choose your preferred scheduling, whether it's immediately or at a strategically chosen time. Finally, click Save to lock in your settings. Before you send out your newsletter, it's crucial to preview and test it. Click on Preview and Test to see the email as your recipients would, and ensure all the elements display correctly. Once satisfied, let it go out as per your scheduled time. And there you have it, a perfectly crafted newsletter ready to reach your audience with just a few simple steps. Mailchimp makes it easy to stay connected. Enjoy sharing your message.